Every business has a front door, and behind it, your livelihood, your people, your investment. The question is, who's protecting it? Bamboo Locksmith Service has been securing businesses across Pleasant Hill for over 15 years. Access control, master key systems, emergency lockouts, exit devices, high security locks from the world's most trusted brands. Certified, licensed, bonded, and insured since 2007. When your business needs protecting, truly protecting, call Bamboo Locksmith 925-278-9701. Bamboo Locksmith, Pleasant Hill, California. Security you can trust.